tell you if van life is really possible in Paris.
We decided to do Paris van life via a campsite. So this campsite is actually inside of the Paris border. So you do need a Critère sticker, which we failed to do. This was the campsite here. The drive wasn't horrendous, but I would recommend that you do a bit of driving on the right hand side before you head straight to Paris. We've got here somehow all in one piece without even taking a wrong turn. I think more luck than management in some places, but I can't wait to set up and we've got like the rest of the day just to relax. The only thing is check-in's at 3 and I think it's only like 1 o'clock, but we'll see what we can do and hopefully we can get set up and just relax for the rest of the day. Nice, so heavy.
Gosh, I thought you were going to go arse over tip then. This toilet is possibly the fullest it's ever been.
It's a bit disgusting.
It is actually vile. Like, reality, as soon as you open that little hole to flush it, it reeks the whole van out. And I was gagging this morning. And earlier I was like, Tom, I can't possibly do a wee in that. And he was like, you're going to have to stop being such a princess about it because that is our toilet.
I said, well, you either go or you don't.
So I'm going to go and empty it.
Whilst Lauren does that, I think I'll crack open a nice cold beer. Cheers, Lauren. This one's for you. So, we've literally just walked about 2 minutes in the campsite and we've got a nice big
secret pass to the
river. And we're going to walk along it and hopefully find a supermarket.
I thought this was meant to be like an Asda or a Tesco.
Once again, another half an hour walk has turned into like an hour. And then we've got to go back.
Start the directions.
I think I'm going to have to start the directions. Lauren likes the scenic route. And then we just ended up in that Asia cafe, supermarket. So we're walking like 4 minutes to the next one now, which will probably be about 10 minutes.
No, it won't, Tom. It'll be 4 minutes. 30 seconds later, that's it.
We've found it.
Is that good enough for you, honey?
Yeah, that'll do me. Just got an hour's walk on. Look at that building.
Oh, it's nice, isn't it?
We then made our way back to the van for a quick picky tea before playing some badminton, which of course I beat Tom at, and then we had an early night ahead for a big day in Paris.
So we've just bought our tickets, we've got a day pass.
We have,
and we're
gets
leaving,
us to zone 1 to 3.
We're leaving the campsite and we're going to end up on the bus to the train station and then a train into the centre of Paris. We're on the bus.
There's a cat over there and he's absolutely meowing his head off. Thank you.
Oh, it's here. It's here.
Oh,
you don't have one.
I don't have it.
Oh, yeah. The day passes cost about €13 each, and this game does access to the metro, the bus and the train, and you get it all day and you can use it as much as you want, so it's pretty good.
Oh yeah, it is on here. We're going to Bastille.
You were panicking.
I know, I was thinking we're going the wrong bloody way. Oh, this is lovely.
Just like that, we're in Paris.
So we're at the famous Carrette in Paris. Sorry if I pronounced that wrong. So it's gone absolutely viral for doing the best hot chocolates ever. And I've twisted Tom's arm to let us come here. So stay tuned. So everything's arrived and it all looks gorgeous. So this whole thing of cream is going to go into that hot chocolate and you just mix it in and it all melts. And we've got pastries and everything.
Lauren's happy.
Happy wife.
I'm a little bit starstruck with the prices. That is good. Yeah. So now the plan of action is to see as much as Paris as possible.
As humanly possible
with,
in 24 hours.
we have less than 24 hours. Oh no, we might be coming in tomorrow, but we're going to get as much done today as possible.
So this is such a vibe in Paris because literally you turn a corner and there's just this massive, gorgeous building, and like you don't even know it's there. It's amazing.
Only trying to get to the Louvre.
Honestly,
Just stumble across this.
there's just places everywhere like this.
We literally carry on just walking like, right, let's get there, let's get there.
It was funny because in Arras, when we got to that square, we were both like, wow. Well, we've had about 10 of them squares in Paris.
We're currently at a spot which is pretty good for photos at the Eiffel Tower.
Now, I thought this was just going to be my secret spot because I saw it on TikTok and I was like, Tom, it is imperative that we must go here. But apparently, everyone's seen that same TikTok because it is heaving. So we got a little bit distracted because we made some friends.
We went to an Italian and there were a Canadian and an American couple next to us and we got chatting.
We did.
So we thought we won't pull out the camera,
No,
but they were lovely, weren't
we
they?
were just enjoying our time with them.
We were. So we're now currently waiting for a bus and it's time to head home. We've had a very good day
It's
in
been
Paris.
busy.
Do you have to give way to buses or something? We are back home. Exhausted. Paris has finished us off.
It has.
Been out for about
Paris
12 hours.
1, Tom and Lauren 0.
But yeah, I think it's about 9:30 something, 10 o'clock, and I think it's time to go to bed.
We've done 20,000 steps.
It's been a day of it, but a very good day at that. So that's how we've done van life in Paris.
So even though it is a bit more expensive than like a stealth camp in the city, for us it just made sense because the van feels secure, you can just leave it, you don't have to worry about it, and you don't have to drive that much into Paris either because the driving was hectic. So if you have done Paris in a camper van, let us know how you did it down below. Thank you so much for watching and we'll see you next time.
Goodbye.